Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Trying to decide exactly where this canvas should go. It's a 24 by 36. Yeah, I'm not sure. Oh, I got a shadow on there. Where'd that shadow come from? Oh, that's me. Yeah. Okay, so that's as good as I can get it, and hopefully I can leave it in that position. I've got a blow dryer, and I'm going to do some Dutch poured leaves, I think. I'm going to use some Amsterdam white that has pre-stained wood conditioner added into it. And after I do leaves, I may do flowers, but I don't think it's going to be at the same time. I really love this electric blue pearl from Arteza. This is a color shifting emerald green that I opened up just a little while ago. I thought I did. I opened like 20 bottles just in case. This one doesn't seem to have managed to be one of them. And this is the first one I wanted. Go figure how that works. So I'm not sure how this is going to work. I'm tempted to drop a little drop of black in there too. I want to put all the colors that I want in this right now. And I want to shake them. That is the green gold from Folk Art. And I said I would put a drop of that black in, so let's just do that. That's 3. So when I do this, I do it on cool. And I do it straight down. And then out. And then sometimes a little wide at the bottom. So that's okay, but I missed the purple. I wonder what would happen if I put some purple in there now. I gotta know. I'm not sure, but it looks like I see something that needs to come out of there. So, I'm not sure I like that, but it doesn't mean anything because I'm just going to keep playing with it until I get it to be a place I do like. And I'll put a little line down the center. No, don't mess with it. Alright, so now I get to try it with the black. I've got all kinds of dust floating around because I cleaned my studio while I was looking for a small bottle. I found all kinds of things to throw away and it sucked up an hour of my time. I'm going to try the black first this time. And a little bit of the white in it. And if I want to go back the other direction, I'm either going to have to hold the hairdryer upside down or I'm going to have to turn this around somehow. That is my Folk Art neon purple with iridescent pearl fine mixed into it. That's more of the electric blue again. I'm thinking I really want to go this way. I'm thinking I'm going to use a little bit of the Mysterious. And go back again and put a little bit more of that cell activator. I'm going to try and go upside down. Wish me luck. Well, I had the cool setting on. I guess I don't like the black and white on the bottom very much. I'm going to use some of this Chrysocolla Prism Pour from Color Art. and a little bit of that dioxazine purple. And what else? Go back and stick with my blue, electric blue, and then do the So I'm not sure that I don't want some gold in there, and I have brought some silver out too to play with. I'd like to remember how I started because I really liked what I did the first time actually. So let's go back to the white. Let's use enough of that. That's Folk Art Neon Purple Multi-Surface. Green Gold from Folk Art, color shifting. I love how it always makes a leaf shape. That's what it seems like to me. I want to just make all kinds of them. But I might want to be careful because I do want to think about some flowers in here. You know what? I want to blow out the end of that. A little bit more. So I really am not in a good position to turn this around at any given point in time. I do like what the white does. If I want it, I am plagued by paint chips. Go figure. I wonder where they come from. I want a little more tip on that leaf. I shouldn't be so fussy. Let's try it in a different direction. Let's try a much bigger leaf too. Let's just be brazen. And try some different colors. That is the amethyst from Artist Loft. It's a metallic. I am going to use a little bit of Prussian blue because that sells also, and throw a little bit of that black in there. Straight down. Out. They're not perfect, but I've got to stop fussing. I think I like the green gold. I miss the purple when I don't have it though. They're spotty, but that's okay. I got to see how much bigger I could make it. Really do love the green gold, so that's my go-to right now. I really want something much bigger. But I'm nervous. Justifiably so, because this is literally my fourth time doing this. I have not used any of my Venetian blue, to the best of my recollection anyway. It could have happened. I promise you. And then finish up. Pretty colors. Okay, do I dare? I want to turn it. Hopefully it'll be where you need to see it. I'm getting some good color combinations, and I do like them. I keep wanting to play with the tips though. And because of perspective, you probably wouldn't always see the tip. It'd probably be hidden sometimes. I want to keep in areas that I can actually work safely and keep everything upright. That was good. I like that, but I want more purple. And I am going to just keep going bigger until I find out what my limitations are. Let's try the white on top. And some black right with it. Because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link. The Amazon link is on the link tree. The link tree is under the video. If you shop there, it helps me out. I was looking for the emerald green, but I seem to have moved it. So let's use the Chrysocolla. And maybe a little bit of that purple. I thought about having my airbrush handy, and then I unplugged it for the hair dryer. As long as there's a heavy puddle at the end, I can manipulate the tips a little bit. Kind of wanted to throw some texture in there at one point in time, so I guess it's not going to hurt me to try it. A few places. I'm thinking I want a nice big leaf over there, but I kind of want to continue on around the edge. And I better work my way from the inside out so I don't lean in anything. Come on, open up, you. I had that open. Maybe I didn't. Maybe it's like two other colors I've got standing by that I'm using. Alright. That is the color shifting purple flash. And I'm still not sure about which colors work first, but I wish I'd remembered what I did here because that is the best right now of all of these. And I'm going to just do what I did. Maybe a little more black, because the black doesn't really swallow anything. That is some Arteza. I think I'm going to throw a little bit of that Venetian blue in there. And I like the Chrysocolla. It kind of disappeared a little bit though. I mean, I got a little bit of it. I'm not really putting any particular pattern in there. I'm sort of relying on things to work themselves out. That's what I do anyway. Kind of wonder where the flowers are going to go, and thinking maybe that might be another painting at this point. I want something very purple in the center here. Maybe a little off center. I need something over there. I need it all at once. I'm going for something that may go right off the canvas. going to go back to using the emerald green from Folk Art Color Shifting. Just a little bit of the mysterious that's not available. That is the Venetian blue. And I said I wanted a lot of purple, and then I eradicated that whole entire thing. And I forgot. Okay, here goes nothing. Hopefully I don't drag my cord through anything. If it works like the others have, it'll keep developing cells. I wanted to use this large canvas. It's been sitting here for the longest time. I wanted to do just all sizes of leaves. And evidently, in 2 minutes, I'm going to be out of time. So if I don't finish this, you'll forgive me, because there's a lot of canvas and a lot of space to cover. And I'm just going to keep moving right along. Try a small one. You never know, it could happen. I'd have to move a lot faster. I want to go that way. And I kind of hope that I'm absorbing some sort of information that I'm unaware of, that which thing works best. So I do sell my artwork, and you can find my email address to contact me underneath the link tree, and the link tree is under the video. And on the link tree you'll find the Amazon link where you can shop at no added cost to you, but it helps me out. And I'm really dangerously close to dragging this cord over things. That worked kind of well. I think I wish I had more pink in there. I don't know how many more I need, but I kind of feel like I see a slight pattern of where things should go. Yep, you're going to be gone in a minute, and I'm compelled. So Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links are on my link tree, along with my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes, and more for checking out the pixels.com and Fine Art America goods with my designs on them. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has albums of artworks. There is a monthly drawing. Should you happen to be interested in getting into it, you could donate through PayPal and Patreon and be automatically included. You can find the PayPal and Patreon icons on the lower right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. I love you guys. There's over 93,000 of you, or there's very nearly at this point. I suspect this is going to be a ways. I didn't put any silver or any gold in anything. So I'm going to do one more thing, and I'll see you guys in part 2. I'll try this on the surface this time. I might be sorry, but I might not. Bye for now. Priscilla out. You're still here. I could blow that out.